Hello everyone. Today I'm here with another Java program for beginners which will assign three numbers and it will calculate the value of the expression given below, that is product of integer part divided by sum of decimal part. So let us write the Java program in our BlueJ editor. So here is the BlueJ editor. The first line, the class name I have given public class prog assign 3. As because I am using assignment operator, so I chose to give the name prog assign 3. And inside this class you are opening the main method, and inside which you are declaring three real numbers. Real numbers means having the integer part as well as the decimal part. So the first number is getting stored in A. Double A is equal to 45.90. My second number is getting stored in B, which is 89.98, and my third value is getting stored in C, which is 7.7. The next statement, int x is equal to within round bracket A, means A had 45.90. You are taking the integer part. If you write this way, from 45.90 it will take the integer part, which is 45. The next one is int y is equal to int of b, that is integer part of b, which is 89. The third statement is int z is equal to int of c. C has 7.7, so the integer part is 7. Now you have to separate the decimal part. How to do that? You have to write double D1. This is actually a variable which will store the first decimal part of the number 45.90. So double D1 is equal to A minus X. A had 45.90 and X had 45. I extracted the integer part and kept it in X. So if you subtract it from 45.90, the decimal part will remain, and that value is getting stored in D1. The same thing I'm doing it for D2, that is, it is extracting 98, the decimal part, and also I'm extracting from the third number 7.7, the decimal part 7, and storing it in D3. Now you have to find the product of the three integer part, x into y into z, this whole thing divided by the sum of the decimal part, that is D1 plus D2 plus D3. And the last line, I am printing the answer with the proper message. My message would be what? Answer colon, and then the value of the answer will be printed. Here in this program, I have given a comment to each and every line for your better understanding. Then I am closing the main method and I am then closing the class. After writing the program, compile the program, close the window, come to the previous window and run the main method. Now after running the main method, this is the terminal window where you are getting the answer as answer colon 10866.279069767743. This is a big number because the answer was stored in a double data type. I hope all of you have understood. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep watching and keep programming. Do subscribe for all my latest videos. Thank you so much once again.